How to add cash on delivery button in your Shopify account just in some second with help of your browser. So what you have to do is simply open your Shopify on the browser. Let it be Microsoft Edge or the Google Chrome. Once you click the search bar, search for Shopify and open the official website in front of you. Click on the right top of the screen to log into your account using your email ID and your Shopify account password. After entering all the details, here is an option and the home page of my Shopify store, but I have to click on the bottom of the left, that is setting. In the setting there is a lot of option again, but what you have to choose is on the left there is an option called payments as the fifth option here. Now scroll down. There you can see there is manual payment methods. Click on the manual payment method on your shop and click the last one, that is cash on delivery. You can enter additional details from here. You can enter payment instructions and simply activate cash on delivery COD payment mode on your Shopify store. So this is about the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe to the channel.